Hey Baddie and Business family, my name is Isabella. I am the owner of two six-figure earning online businesses, and today I'm going to be sharing some of the world's weirdest side hustles that people are actually making money from. So with these weird side hustles that I'm going to share with you today, you do not need any college degree, you do not need any money, and you can start all of these side hustles with $0. If you are already subscribed to my YouTube channel, you would know I am committed to 100% free education, and people charge thousands of dollars for the information that I give 100% for free. All I ask for in return is that you hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to make content just like this. So our first side hustle is TikTok live streams. And when you first hear live streams, you always think, oh, I have to show my face or I have to talk with people one-on-one, and that's actually 100% not true. There was a guy peeling some sort of weird egg on TikTok, and they are making so much money. You guys can see on the screen right now, people are sending a bunch of roses. And you can see at the top as well, there's like 2,000, 1,000. Well, guess what, you guys? All of these things that you see on the screen right now, these gifts are actually equal to money. And this specific person is not in the United States, so you can indeed do this from anywhere in the world. And they have gained over 1 million followers just from doing these weird live streams. And you guys can see they do not show their face, and it's very awkward and weird, but it makes them money, so I get why they do it. I remember seeing these live streams when they barely had followers. What's awesome about TikTok live stream is that you do not need a big following to make money from TikTok live stream. Because what happens is, as soon as you are able to go live on TikTok, they boost your TikTok live stream across all of TikTok. So even all around the world. So even if you live outside of the United States, they will boost your TikTok live stream to people in the United States. So this is actually good for like businesses. If you are someone that you wanted to target the United States and sell things to the United States, this is actually great for that as well. On TikTok live stream, everyone has an equal chance of going viral. And going viral is equivalent to making money. As soon as more people start joining your live stream, they're gonna see that there's other people on your live stream, and they're gonna start sending these gifts to you because their name will pop up on that live stream. So it will actually help if you say, oh, go check them out, go show them love. So if you're doing any sort of live stream and you just talk, like you can show yourself doing something. There's another person that I see doing scratch off lottery tickets on TikTok live stream, and they make so much money. Imagine telling people that's your job for a living as you just do scratch offs on TikTok live stream. And before you think that you cannot make money from TikTok live stream and I'm just saying this and that I'm lying and making it up, I have personally made a lot of money doing TikTok live streams. So I know that this works. You can receive the money either by PayPal or they can transfer it straight into your bank account. So it's whatever you prefer. And what I do to get live stream ideas is I literally just go to the live stream tab on TikTok and I just scroll through all the live streams to get ideas. You guys can see this is actually a business right here called Coco Jewelry, and they are, it says free shipping worldwide. If you are from UK and US, please check out. And this jewelry shop is not from the United States. You can tell by their pinned comment here, and they are selling these rings. And you guys can see they have over 200 people in this live stream, so I'm sure they got some sales just from this live stream. This is another way that people do live streams. They do battles, so you can battle with your friend. And I saw these girls go live from 9 a.m. in the morning all the way to 3 o'clock in the day, and I'm sure they were making so much money because they were on for a long time. And every single time I went back and checked, they still had so many people on, sending them so much money. Because basically every time you send a gift, it votes for that person on either side. So if you want like one person to win, like they'll send it to that person. And you guys can literally just scroll through these live streams and like, look, this person is literally shopping, like thrifting. So just take time to like just go through these live streams and you can see what I'm talking about. People do so many different things. Here's another one. It has 1.5 thousand views. And remember that if you live in another country where the USD is stronger in your country, which means like the United States dollar is stronger, like you could make so much money from these live streams. And I always get a lot of people that say like, you know, I'm from this country, how can I start making money for my family? And honestly, TikTok live stream, do not underestimate it. You can make so much money from TikTok live stream. Now, what are the requirements to go live on TikTok live stream? You do need 1,000 followers to go live, but I promise you TikTok is unlike any other social media network. So if you can just start posting TikToks, if you get one TikTok that does really well, you will gain those followers really fast. You can start making money from TikTok that way, and it's honestly an amazing way to make money through TikTok. Now here's a website that people are using to make $1,500 a month, and this website is called Poop with Purpose. You can make money just by donating your poop. So this is the website, literally called Poop with Purpose. You can literally see here, it says your poop could save lives. You can apply here. If you scroll down, it even says, we can't do it without you. As a stool donor, you can save lives and earn as much as $1,500 per month. And it even says here, you can earn up to $50 per donation. Another website that does this is called Open Biome. And they'll literally buy your poop. So you're literally getting paid to take a dump. This next weird side hustle can make you $50 an hour. And that is being somebody's friend. Now, I would not be going and meeting up with people and being friends with people on this app, but they created an update that actually allows you to just FaceTime or talk on the phone, and it's called rentafriend.com. You can do this over FaceTime, Zoom, texting, and many other ways. You do not have to be meeting with people, and I would not personally. Another weird side hustle is that you can become somebody's bridesmaid and get paid just for being a part of their wedding. You can even set your own rates for this side hustle. And you could probably book something new every weekend doing this. So another guy tested out this side hustle on TikTok that I had to show you guys. So what this guy did was he ordered these hats from Amazon. So what he did was he ordered pink cowboy hats and some graphic t-shirts. And he went and stood outside bars and went inside bars and just started selling this stuff to people in the bar. It looks to me like he sold all of them out in one night. This was just a funny TikTok that I saw that I knew I just had to share with you guys. I wanted to share that video just because there's so many ways you can make money. You just have to put a little creativity and not be afraid to try something new in order to try it out. Also with Amazon, like for example, if he didn't sell these hats, he could have technically just like returned them on Amazon. Like if the plan was a total fail, he could have just returned them because Amazon has a really easy returns policy. So I just thought that was hilarious, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. For more serious side hustles and more ways to make money online, I have an entire free course playlist of a bunch of free courses that I put together for you guys. So definitely go and check those out if you have not already and you want some more education of how to make money online. Which one of these side hustles was your favorite? Comment down below and let me know. Personally, never tried the donate poop one, but I mean, if you're wanting to make some money, why not just look into it? Because you never know. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you liked today's video, make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to make videos just like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone! Just a heads up, you guys, there has been people in the comment section pretending to be me. Remember that I do not have WhatsApp, I do not have Telegram, and I will never try to sell you any sort of program, course, nothing like that. There's also fake accounts of me on Instagram. My only Instagram is Baddie and Biz. I'll never message you first, and again, I'll never try to sell you anything. Bye, guys!